What's up, everyone? This is RJ here, and welcome to my channel, RJ Pandey. And I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube videos. I mean, you don't have to literally make, like, you just have to use a feature YouTube is giving to you where you can use someone videos and you can still monetize and start making money. So if you want to do that, you don't have to write a script, you don't have to hire the video editor and blah blah thing, and still you want to make money while using someone videos. I'm going to show you in these videos, and I'll show you the proof also. I tried myself, it's worked it. So I'll show you guys, like how you can make money with that. So let me show you guys. Let me take you to, this is my YouTube channel, which is 7x YouTube automation. And then you can see that if you want to learn about the YouTube automation, how it's work, definitely it's worth to just go to the videos and just look for something, what is YouTube automation. And if you want to know about me, who I am, and then what I did and where I come from, there's just some videos about, like, you can literally just look for that. All right, and there is a YouTube automation videos also, the free videos. You can make $1,000 per month also. But today I'm going to show you guys something different, like a YouTube is giving you guys chance to, even you are lazy, you can literally create videos like that and you can still get monetized and make money with that. So are you ready for that? If you are ready for that, comment down below yes, and I will show you guys. So it's called the YouTube green screen. So green screen, what is that, the green screen? Let me show you guys. So you can go to the source. So it's like so this kind of videos, I need to first this kind of videos. So now if somebody is playing this kind of videos, and then you can see this, the remix videos. The remix is like you are going to create the remix. All right, so this video, this channel, maybe he has a lot of, he's dancing, he's doing everything, but you can literally create your own, like literally you can use the green screen. All right, so suppose that if he is getting 12,000 views and then you want to green screen, first whoever is the creator, they are going to allow people like us who can create a videos, like a remix videos, and we can use the green. So hit the remix button. Now you can see the option, use this sounds, collaboration, green screen, cut this video. So you can do the collab, and still you can make money with that. But I'm using the green screen, like there's a lot of people, they are making money with that. And first I just want to show you like how you can make money with that. All right, so let me go back and I can show you guys where I can make money with that. But anyway, first let me show you how you can make a green screen, and I'll show you the proof how you can make money with that. All right, so go to the green screen. All right, so you can see that you can do the 50-second or the 60-second, and you can stretch this videos, and like it will take you like a whole video. You can 1 minute, or you want to do the 50-second or something like that, you can literally do that. All right, so all right, and then once you hit the 15-second videos or 1 minute videos, now you have to hit the done, and once it will be done, it will take you to it will open your, so my iPhone microphone is not available for Mac, right now it's not opening, but it's going to open my like a face, literally. Once it will face, let me see if it's going to open or not. I don't think it's going to open it. Whoops. Yeah, so literally right now you can see that you can show my face here, and then I can just record the videos, you know. So I'll connect this one right now, and after that lock in. So once you did that, you did the remix, you know, use the remix and use the green sound, and your camera will pop up. Your camera will pop up, and then you hit the done, and then your camera will come, and then after that you hit the record, and after hitting the record, so once you hit your camera, just hit mark this one, and then hit the next. And if you want to add text or something, you can do that. And now here you go, you just put the caption hashtag dance funny comedy, like a dance funny comedy, you know, like, and you can do that, and then use your location if you want to, public, and then upload shorts. I will save in the draft, but you can upload it, and that's how easy it is to use the green screen. All right, guys. So here I just want to show you, like I created one videos in the source. If you go here, and then you'll see that somewhere where my channel was making money. I think I did, yes. So you can see that this one 456 views. I'll just go ahead, open like a YouTube stat, and I can show you guys how you can make money this one. All right, so just give me 1 second. All right. So guys, now you can see that you know, like same videos when I made yeah, you can see that like a 27 cent and 17. I'm not uploading a lot of videos on my channel, but this is a short video, like a green channel, like literally I make the green videos like this one, and it's like a 475 people they watch. And how much I made almost 30 cent. I mean, you know, like at least 13 cent. So at least I'm just showing you guys, you can literally create these videos and you can make money with that, you know, like you can make money with that. I'm just showing you guys. I use this screen thing, and it's working, and it's give me 1 subscriber and 15 cent, you know. And you can see the revenue is coming from where people were watching and everything. So I'm just saying you it's working, and you guys can make money also. You know, it's not whole lot money because I don't have much views, because I was just trying this one. It's a 506 views only, but you can target viral videos to make money with that. You know, like you can literally target viral videos, any viral videos, and you can literally look for, just go for on the YouTube and look for like how to use the green screen, and there's a tons of videos going to tell you what to do, how to do, and how to make money with that. And just it, you know, you just go viral videos somebody is creating, you just go viral videos and use that one. And I mean, it takes time to get thousands of subscribers, but you don't know, like one video can change your life. One video you can get you monetized, you know, like a one video, 30-second video, you've got millions of views, you start getting subscriber, and then your channel can get monetized and you can make money with that, you know. But there is a pro and cons. You need to just watch some random videos, you know, to watch it and just follow that instruction. But I'm just saying these things work, You don't have to do anything. Open the green screen and just react a little bit. Just react a little bit and just make it and post it on your channel. That's it. And that's how you're gonna make money. All right. So if you like this videos, just hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel, because I'm going to make a lot of videos. I do the faceless YouTube channels, and I teach people how to create a faceless YouTube channel with the AI, and you can make money. You can see my the silver and gold plate. Also, I don't work on my personal channel like this one, but I have several channels which is faceless. So we do YouTube automation. If you want to if you want to I don't know if I can change it here. Yeah, look at this. This is all the my YouTube automation channels. There is a lot of YouTube automation channels where we work on that, the faceless channels. If you want to learn that, just comment down below YouTube or visit my profile 7xyoutubeautomation.com and you can find it there. All right, so in this videos, that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.